All right, Google Classroom tip number 4. And this is another one that is linked to this idea of our posts. And this is where we can actually pin important posts to the top of our stream. So if we have something really specific that we want our students to make sure that they notice, but we have also uploaded a whole range of resources into materials, or we've created a whole heap of new assessments, and we know that this particular message that's really important might get lost, what we can actually do is move a post to the top of the stream so that it's the first thing our students see. So, for example, let's head back to our post that I have just created, welcoming people to our new classroom. So, let's say I actually want this one to be the first thing that my students see when they log in and when they access Google Classroom tomorrow. So, all I'm going to do is head over again to the three dots, and you will see here that it has the ability to move to top. I can't move this one to the top because it is already at the top, okay? But if I head down here to, say, this particular quiz, and I click the three dots here, you can see that I can now move that to the top of the stream, and you will see it is the first thing that your students will notice. So now if I head back to our welcome message, I can move that to the top, and that will be the first thing my students will see when they are joining and accessing Google Classroom, either each day, each lesson, or each time that they are using it. So that could be a really handy feature if you are regularly posting important information or announcements that you think your students should be able to access readily and easily in your Google Classroom stream.